Good morning. It's October 17th. My name's Tim Brett. Today I'm going to take you up on our new construction, Phoenix Orange Beach 2, and give you a tour. So let's go up and take a look. All right, today I'm just going to start down here at the bottom. I'm going to take the elevator up here in just a little bit and work my way down. But today I'll start here and just give you an idea of what's going on here on the ground level. As you can see, we have the indoor pool formed. And over here you can see the lazy river and outdoor pool. I'm going to go upstairs and get a shot of that looking down so you can see the whole thing. But again, here we are. We got the indoor pool formed. See the pilings. Those pilings are actually supporting the weight of the building here. A lot of construction going on. We got a lot of paint happening on the outside of the building. Sheetrock being hung. So let's go up stairs and take a look. Okay, I'm standing on the 25th floor in the 4-bedroom on the east side. You can see how far the metal studs have come up, and they are actually even further on up than this. But I just wanted to show you this view real quick. That's looking east towards Ono Island, Florida. You can see the Perdido Pass Bridge. Perdido Pass, where all the boats come in and out. And if it looks different outside, it's because it's a different day. I had to come up and reshoot this section of the video because my camera obviously froze up yesterday. So I'm gonna walk outside. It's windy, we're expecting storms. I just wanted to show you the pool from up here. All right, so you can see the pool area there, the outline of the lazy river, the deck area. Not very many people on the beach today. As I said, we have storms coming in. See the tile here on the balcony. We'll turn around real quick. Of course, we painted south side of this building. You got a beautiful view there looking west. I can see all the way into Gulf Shores, see the state park here. My next clip, I'm going to head down. I'm going to show you that, where we are putting sheetrock. So let's walk on down and take a look. All right, so what I told you earlier is true. I'm standing on the 22nd floor. I know I told you I'd walk in a 3-bedroom with the metal studs, but instead of doing that, I just wanted to show you, I thought it was better to just show you where we're at with the sheetrock being installed. This is one of the 3-bedroom units. And there you can see the master bedroom. It's going to be the bathroom there. That will of course be the kitchen area. Bathroom area, one of the guest bedrooms. One of the bedrooms here, guest bedrooms. And of course across the hallway, another bedroom. And I don't have any lights to turn on right now. Okay, I think I showed this in the last video, but there is paint here on the south side of the building. Right now, we are painting the west side of the building. That's looking west right now, so on the other side of the building, we are painting the west side. Now this, our last 2 buildings, Phoenix Gulf Shores and Phoenix Orange Beach, we didn't have 2 bedrooms. So this is first in a long time since we built a 2-bedroom. Of course, you can see the space in here of the living room area. It's a nice big space. Kitchen area over here. As I walk back here, it's going to be a bathroom area. Again, I apologize, I do not have lights. I hope you can see this. bedroom, 2 closets. This would obviously be the guest bedroom with a bathroom area there. And then let's walk across the hall. And this will be your master. 2 closets there. I can't get in there and show you I don't have the lighting equipment to get in there and show you the bathroom, but it's a nice looking unit. These will be great rentals, I believe. Okay, I'm on the 16th floor. I just want to give y'all a kind of idea of where we're at with paint and tile. So I'm being told that we're putting the first coats of paint on the units on the 17th floor right now, and also the tile. This is where we're at. So I'm on the 16th. This tile probably can't, it's not showing up in the video, but this tile has not been grouted yet. So, but they do have the paint in here. Of course, you can see the trim as well. It's not all the way. There's some spots missing the trim. You don't have the cabinets, of course, in the kitchen. Let's go find out where they are with the cabinets. All right, now I'm standing on the 10th floor. Walk down to the 10th floor. Just wanted to show you, we do have cabinets down here. See this, and we have the granite in some of the units here on the 10th floor. Very pretty unit. You can see the little bar area there. Done some extra work here on the walls. Here, and of course, paint in the master bedroom. Looks beautiful. Let me get you one more shot of that. It's the hot water heater sitting there in front of me. You can see if I can get you a better view of that. Very pretty. Here's a shot of the 2-bedroom on the 10th floor. Bit darker cabinets than the one we just saw. Still very pretty. And this stuff you're seeing on the ground here, this is just to protect the tile that we've already put in, so the contractors, when they're walking in and out of here, don't scratch the tile. Thought I'd just step out here and give you a little bit of a different view from about midway on the tower, midway up. And give you a little better look at the lazy river. See a couple of guys down there working, surveying. That's the hotel to my right. That's going to be the west there. If you look down, you could, I don't know if that'll show up on video, but that's see a pier out there. There's a few boats out today. All right. Talk a little loud, but I just wanted to show you this before I head downstairs. Here's your storage closets here. Kind of give you an idea how much room you got in there. It's just in the hallway outside of the units. Nice and convenient. I'll just give you a shot of the hallways that they're looking like. They're all sheetrocked in. Walking down here to the elevators, and can't walk past here, but it's got beautiful views to the north here when you're sitting here waiting on the elevator. Just one more unit. I'm down on the 5th floor. I'm on the in the 5th 4-bedroom. Can't see out the window right now because they're painting on the outside of the building right there. But just kind of show you where we're at. I mean, we're on these lower floors. We're getting real close to locking these condos up. It's very pretty. Even painted the ceilings in this one. You can see that. Of course, you probably see it better right out here where there's light. But I'm going to take you and show you the south side of the building out on the beach, and we'll wrap up the video. If you got any questions or anything, you can leave us a comment or give us a call at 800-221-6180. If you wanted pictures of your unit, make sure to just call your Brett Robinson sales agent. They'll be happy to come up and take a video, send you pictures. If you bought through an outside agent, give them a call, and they'll contact the Brett Robinson agent they work with, and we can get you taken care of. Keep meaning to wrap up, but I keep walking down and I see more stuff that I need to show you. So here in the lobby area, we are beginning to put the glass. It's about the only place that we haven't put the glass. We are getting ready to put the glass in this area. Okay, going to end this video with as I always do, with a shot of the south side of the building. Most of the building on this side has been painted except for the lower floors and the roof line area up top there. If you want more information, be sure to visit our websites, brettrobinson.com and phoenixorangebeach2.com. Call us at 800-221-6180. Hope you've enjoyed this video today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video. It really helps us out, and we do appreciate it. Hope to see you soon.